Yes, Lee, you were saying something?
Yeah, I was asking if like this is strictly for like EA and GA clarifications per week.
Correct. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Any doubt you have regarding, week 3 PA or GA?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this thing. Uh, V on click for this anchor tag.
V on click.
For anchor tag.
When we with Vion, we are triggering some function if it is in the script file and that gets triggered, and it's a two-way, right?
That
So,
is okay, ma'am.
mm,
Like if we use it in anchor tag, no.
mhm.
So when we click that element, it should refer to the page which is linked to it.
Okay. So, do you have any any in
Yeah,
the
I have code.
no, which is there in the practice or graded assignment of week 3? Is it there any of the
No,
question?
no, ma'am.
Okay, sure. What code do you have? What code you're talking about?
So, ma'am, can you share and create an anchor tag? Like I can tell just an anchor tag in a method, or I'll paste it.
Okay. See, if you have any doubt related to graded or practice, you can tell, okay? Because I'm not getting any such question in the practice or graded.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please explain me the graded assignment of week 3 of question number 10?
Question number 10. Okay,
Yes.
one moment. Give me 1 minute. You're able to view the screen? Are you able to view the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay. Sorry, I was on mute. Like I was thinking I'm like, yeah, unmute. So here what we see is that we have an index.html and the directive 1 and directive 2 are written. We need to choose from the options of if scene beyond click equal to toggle scene. So when we click on like on click equal to toggle scene, that method gets triggered, and this dot scene equal to I mean it's negating the so it's like expecting the truthy value. If it gets a truthy value, then it will show the message. I mean in the message of the data property in the content part of the HTML element. So it will that message will be displayed on the browser. So basically, which one options are correct? So the V on click, this A and C, V if seen equal to V on click equal to see this V if seen V on click equal to toggle scene, and this V if seen equal to at click, because at click and on click are same only. And whenever we click on it, the toggle scene method will be activated or triggered rather. And this dot scene will be negating, and so if it is true, then only the message hello will be appearing on the browser.
Okay, ma'am, one more doubt, that what is the function of toggle scene means, how it actually works?
Here, what happens is toggle scene method, this dot scene not equal to scene. If it is true, then so if
Here
it
toggle scene is a function, right?
yes, correct,
The method.
correct.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes, method, yes.
Got it, ma'am, got it.
Okay.
Ma'am, question number 4, ma'am.
Graded?
Yes, ma'am, same.
Okay, one moment.
Question number 4 and 6.
Basically, question number 4 is asking like which of the following methods can be used to ensure that the displayed state and system state are kept in sync at all times. So to keep it sync at all times, that A and D are the correct answers, right? Ajax requests on each UI change, and because
Display state and system state means what is the meaning?
Sorry?
Display state and system state, what is the meaning of that, ma'am?
Means like everything will be on the same state. That's it.
Okay. Question number 6.
One moment. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Question number 6. It's showing. Consider the following view application with markup index.html and JavaScript file app.js. So we have this content part is new message here, and it's the app.js. We have the data object. We have this property message is welcome, and you have another object opt object. We have this property L hash app and data object. Now here what happens is inside the opt app, I mean this options object that we call inside the view class, new view or view class, here the new message is not defined. Okay, it's only after the instance is created we are like trying to access app.new message. So welcome.iitm online will not show on the browser. In fact, nothing will be visible on the browser. Okay, because new message is not inside the what should I say, inside the data object or inside the opt object. It's like after the instance is created. That's why it is going to give a blank page. This third option.
Okay.
Okay.
And can we look at question 1? So
Graded of week 3.
yes. So can you explain the concepts, the application state, system state, and I mean, because question 1, because first 3-4 questions are related to the same topic.
Ma'am,
Right.
could you explain the question number 6 again once, please?
Yeah, sure. What was the question? Oh, yeah. I'll just. Okay, what I said was, we all know that whatever is in the data object, or whatever the properties, if we can view it in the HTML if it is in the content part. But here, new message is not there in the data object or the opt object part, or in the data object. No, it's not here. It's like after we are creating the app instance, we are trying to access new message. So that's why we will not be able to view like if it is giving the value, we are not able. Yeah.
Okay. This new message is not defined exactly, right?
Yeah, it's like after it should be inside the data object.
It could have been displayed if it could have been either within the const data object or within the const opt object. Is it so?
Yeah, correct. That's correct.
Okay.
It should have been
Okay.
inside it. Then we
Okay.
could have.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And what was it? Yes. You said what is application state? So like whatever we view and that needs to be stored is the application state. And which else you wanted to know?
No, so how is that different from the system state?
System state is like everything has to be in the same state. System state, that is very important for system state.
What is a state exactly?
Anyone? What is state?
And the difference between a state and a stateless?
Ma'am, I think a systems state is the configuration which only describes about the features of the condition of the software or the hardware, that in which condition or in which form it's lying or it's currently using. I think that's so. An application state, according to me, is the client interface in which we actually use for any input or any kind of actions.
Yeah, and that has to be application state. That has to be like it has to be in memory. We have to store it.
Yeah. That is true. And system state, according to me, that it only configure and show all the things related to the system, means the database or any software functioning like that.
Yeah. Okay.
When it is stateless?
When is it stateless?
When we cannot assume the other side, like server cannot assume the user side.
Okay, so you got the answer when we cannot get the server side?
No, I did not get this. Stateless means what? Exemplify it. Suppose we are going on a website, suppose, or this too, some index.html is there and some script is there. Then how can we assume that which one is stateless and which one is stateful?
See, someone has written the state and statefulness. You can see in the message are terms used to describe whether a computer program or system remembers previous interactions. Yeah. With the with a user or other element. And the main difference between the two is stateful systems keep track of interactions while stateless systems do not. Yeah. Thank you, Shayan.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question for this. Like, why are stateful systems are considered risky or not good?
What's why stateful are considered?
Like, not considerable as good to keep means. Majorly stateless systems are considered no.
Yes. Majorly stateless are considered.
Why not stateful? We get like every state of the user at every single time.
So like there may be some confidential information, so maybe the client wouldn't prefer that. So that's why we prefer stateless.
Just for the security purposes.
Yes, correct. Security purposes.
Ma'am, I have posted that in chat. You ask for the code, no? Anchor tag.
Anchor tag. You pasted it. So what you want me to do? You want me to work on file?
Like when we click on this link, it first shows that pop-up for alert, and then after clicking on that pop-up OK, it redirects to that website. So like how can we prevent it from redirecting if something is not like according to us?
How can we prevent from redirecting?
Yeah, like we have clicked and we have forwarded it to a method called click. We are checking some things from like we can take our inputs also because till then redirecting is paused.
Okay, I am sorry, Aman. This I have no idea. Anyone knows how we can prevent redirection?
Like prevent redirection in what sense?
You are not audible. Can you speak little louder?
Like prevent redirection in what sense? Like what do you mean by
Like see, if the user clicked on the anchor tag, it will redirect it to the click method, and there we can take some inputs or check some of the parameters like which state is in the website. According to that, we can allow it to redirect or not. So like redirect, it will be redirected after it will click OK or after that alert is gone. But how can we prevent that if something is not occurred according to us?
okay, you mean like when you are when you are being redirected, like is there like a pop-up that prevents you from
Yeah,
redirecting?
before redirecting, there is a pop-up like in this chat box. Like I have this method class click no. In that click, there is an alert message. Similarly, we can have a little more code to check what state the user is in, like what state the website is in, and according to it, we can allow it to redirect or not. So it will be redirected after that alert, but how can we prevent if like our condition didn't match?
You
I
mean
saw. Uh,
you mean like okay, okay, someone has posted something.
you're not audible. Can you speak a
Yeah,
little?
he has posted the code here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Shayan, and thank you, Aman. Anyone else like have any doubt? Big 3 PA or GA?
I have one doubt in Vue.js operation.
Yeah, tell.
In the operation, when we Vue.js event is not being visible in the screencast. The event was visible, but I was trying to do that. The event was not visible in my view.
In the screencast. Okay,
Yeah.
so you got, you were able to like root and all, you were able to get.
Yeah, I was getting that. Can I show my screen?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here is my code. And yeah, my code is visible.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Yeah. Then here, mm, now when you do this, here for the event, I started it, and here this value was not being updated, so the event was not visible. In the SAR screencast, some event was visible in here. Suppose
Yeah, you go to DevTools, check.
a view is there. It is view and root is visible,
Okay.
right? Root is visible, but when I do this, here, this is the, here it is working. The message one board is, this is working. But here it is not updating here. In the SAR window, here something was visible. That was event tab was visible, but in my tab event is not visible.
So others, y'all are like other people, y'all are able to view the event tab in the DevTools?
I can show you just a minute.
Okay.
Let me show where it is. Here in the SAR screencast, you go to the 3.4.1. Suppose when you go there, just see it. Is it visible?
Okay, so screencast, you're saying that event tab is there.
Just a minute. Event tab is there. Let me show you. Sorry, just a minute. This was I am telling. This part event, this events components Vuex. This part is not visible to me. This one. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Okay, yeah.
This is the problem. This is my problem.
that components you're able to see that sir has this components part. You have that tab in your.
Yeah, in my part, this one is this. Component is visible. Element is there.
No, where's component? Acha.
This is the component, no? 3 components.
No, what I was saying is that sign was there. No, component sign was there. That sir's video.
Yeah. In the source video, it was there, but in my
Yeah.
window, it is not visible. So how to get it visible?
Actually,
Okay.
I don't know. Anyone knows how to make it visible? Because even I has some issues. Previously, some people were saying that that route is not coming and all, but
Yeah, in
it-
my window was also the same issue was there, but now it is okay. Everything is working fine. But this one is not. I'm able to do this.
that even
Not-
for even
Yeah,
tab, right?
not only this is not visible. This is
Okay.
also not update. This is not also updating. Here, I
Why?
did it.
Why this is not updating? I mean, did you check your code properly?
Yeah. That's let me show you.
I mean, you need to check your code. That even
You-
tab not happening, that may be a problem.
No, you just see it. Just see it. This is the application,
Okay.
and this is the code. Okay, global count, and here in the application tab, I have
Mhm.
defined this this one. In the top, this is the EL and the app, and this is the data global count initialized to 0, and the methods count global is a function which assigns the increments the value global count, and there is no error in the code also, but still that is not showing there. Yes, this is the issue.
So where is the action you're taking to add? Where are you calling this function? Let's see
Here.
that. No,
This one.
that is here, but somewhere how is this called somewhere, right? It has to be triggered, right?
Here it is. This is the global count.
No, but some action, there should be some link to call that method, right? Some action that should trigger.
Here it is. V on add to global total.
Is this okay? Add to global total is
Just check your
method.
typo once.
Hmm?
Add to global you have
See,
typed,
V
right?
on equal to.
Easy.
I think it should be
VO.
V on equal to, right?
This one.
The 2 is like that is 0 or
Yeah, that's 0, right?
Which one?
That's T. That the TO. It's not TO. It's T0.
Which line? Which line you are telling?
on all
Line 16, then line 19. You just check V on add to. You see, that
Yeah,
that's
yeah, that's
that's
okay.
zero.
Here,
It's not-
no. Is it 0?
yeah,
yeah,
it
that's
is 0.
actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just one. Okay, thank you. So nice. Yeah, this was a typo mistake. Okay, thank you. But it was not showing any error at all.
Because it is a valid name, no? We can have
Hmm.
numbers in function name.
Yeah, here it was a total, right? This was the name and this was not even. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm disconnected now. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, anyone else want to go ahead? Seems like no one else has any doubt. Then
One more, ma'am.
yeah,
And how to beautify the text in the VS Code? What is the command for that to do directly? Some
Beau-
beautify code was there.
beautify code.
How to do that?
I think you have to use some extension in VS Code. You can look for some extension.
Okay.
Beautify.
Prettier is one extension, like it
Yeah,
indents for you and all.
yeah, prettier. You can use prettier.
What is? Please.
Prettier.
PTR.
Pretty, prettier.
PRETTY.
I see, yeah, prettier.
Okay, pretty.
Yeah, it's name of an extension, yes. So you can use,
PRETTIER.
yes.
Okay. Thank you. Let me install it.
Okay, guys, anyone want to go ahead with any doubt of week 3P or J? Or else we can go ahead and close the session then. No doubt. Fine. Since there's no doubt, then I'll go ahead and close the session. Okay.
One more, ma'am. What is the difference between the root element and the parallel element?
What? Root element, parallel element.
Yeah.
Where was it? I mean, where did you get that? In graded or practice?
Not in the graded, but in the some lecture it has been mentioned. I think in the lecture it has been used somewhere.
Root though I saw, but parallel I've not.
Root element. Which is the root element?
I guess those which are defined in the view app. I mean, yeah, within view. Those are root.
All the elements are root. EL,
Those
data,
are, yeah, they are,
function.
which are defined in the view. Yes, those are which are defined in the view.
Then parallel.
Parallel,
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. And just a minute.
Anything else you want to go ahead? Any other questions you have?
No, ma'am. I'm fine.
Okay, guys, anyone else? Okay, no one else. Then I'll go ahead and stop the recording and close the session. Yeah, thank you, everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you especially to the person who indicated my 0 to